like evening our internet is really weak though. All right, so here this one for 60 seconds using a matte top coat. This matte top coat is really sway. It's not, you don't see like strips or anything at all. It's really weird in my end. I feel like really dark. Hey Foxy. Hey Sanita. How are you? Hey Katia. Killa, Victoria. Just want to say hello to every single of you. I am doing well. Scotty Bonnie. Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. Great. So we are going to using the fusioning and chamfer foil, and we are gonna do one of the the fusioning is gonna do is honesty, because we're gonna do some either foil or stickers, and I am really excited about. Let's see what chamfer foil we're gonna do. We have so many different options for us to choose from. Let's do the honesty, and on this nails I just prep it for us, and I will have one piece of papers, the paper towels here. And hello, hi, and Henry, how are you? And I'm gonna do part of chamfer foils here, but I'm go ahead and do my fusionings all the nails just in case for any of you are first time tuning in our live videos, and you can really get an idea of a basic fusion inks, how it looks, and it's easy to achieve it without frustrated that if it's gonna be turning out nice and showing the marble look and the veins look instead of just like a bleeding all over places. So you can go more than just, I did like, I think 2-3 times. You can go more than 3 or 4 times. The darker you want, the more you're gonna apply it on. And also this is one colors, but however you can do so many colors you want. So I'm gonna pick up the crystal clear, and then that's all you need for yours. This is only you need it for your fusionings techniques, which is like a marbling look. So instead of this look is really like wet, it's drying now. You can see a matte look. There's no shiny. You see when you're doing 4 nails, 10 nails, or 2 nails, you did the first one, the second one is gonna turn out like really dry. So then you can using. I'm gonna move my crystal clears on the side right here so you can see me. Right here, maybe I can see it. And I'm wipe off pretty much all of the crystal clear off from my brush, and just give it a little bit tap. So this is really cool about fusion inks. It's really light, easy application. You don't feel heavy at all, but the pigment is so amazing. It's really pigmented. So then if you just give it a little bit of the swipe or the tap from a crystal clear, it blends really nice without bleeding your colors. And also it's really cool about this. Usually when if you've seen that before, I dip it back into my crystal clears, I usually clean my brush really nicely on a piece of papers, and then I dip it back in to pick it up more crystal clears as I needed it. I'm so excited because it looks so like it just really Really simple look. Great. If you're happy with this, great. I am going to using some foil looks on it, and that's all you need, it crystal clear. And I am going to using either this one, you can using a foil or the stickers. Either one, it looks really great. I am going to use transfer foil, either stickers or transfer foil. Or maybe I should do a sticker, because I'm gonna do that one with a little bit, it's gonna look good on gold though. I'm trying to see what option that we got. I'm gonna do one of this, but let's see, let's do in this collection. And before that, I am going to using gel painting, and I'm gonna using is jet black right here. And give it a little bit. And this. Okay. So we should do this one in the black, jet black. I'm gonna give it a little bit. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna share with you, because usually I do 2 gel painting on the top of each other, but today I'm gonna show you something different. Is thank you anh Henry. Anh Henry share giùm em cái video nha, cho anh chị em nào muốn coi để coi mấy cái technique đó. Thank you anh. Are you doing okay? How's everything? Liasia, hello, how are you? Foxy, it doesn't like you. What transfer foil did you using, and how do you use this? Okay, so I'm gonna do really cool. Usually with our transfer foil, we're using a premium IHO transfer foils. Is really, it transfers amazing. Never disappointed at all. Great, so I am gonna key it for flash key for 30 seconds. Hey Sarah, how are you? Never get the full transfer. We always, when you see me doing live videos and Sarah's and Brad, we're using this. Well, because we're doing this on the live video, is I'm using it. This is actually is cure really well, 30 seconds, and it transfers completely. It's premium IHO transfer foil. It's just this guy right there. And I am going to using the cute little gold to matching with my stickers. I'm gonna trim just a little bit. so much for tuning in. All right, I'm really obsessed with this as well. So we'll see. Or, ooh, really cool though. We can do a silver, shimmering silver. And okay, so I am going to using the same tinted brush, and I will drop 1 drop of Chantefoils right here on my palettes right there. Just a smaller 1 drop. And just have 1 drop of my no wipe top coat here, because I am going to show you how I can clean my brush easily. This is the no wipe top coat, okay? So I'm gonna swirl my brush because I just using a gel painting, so it's dissolving it all of the pigments from a gel painting. Wipe it off, and then I can using, this is the Premium's I Hold Chamfer Foil. I'm gonna dip my brush in